Anthropic just dropped Claude Sonnet 4.5, and they're calling it the best coding model in the world. Bold claim, especially after getting absolutely destroyed by OpenAI's recent releases. But let's see if it holds up. GPT-5 came out swinging with codecs, and honestly, Anthropic looked like they were falling behind. But Sonnet 4.5, this might be their comeback story. The performance improvements are legitimately impressive. Sonnet 4.5 crushes previous Claude models in reasoning, math, and coding. We're talking sustained focus over 30-plus hour coding sessions. If you've ever had an AI model forget what it was doing halfway through a refactor, you know why this matters. It beats Opus 4.1 on SWE Bench and pretty much every coding benchmark that actually matters to real developers. But here's where it gets interesting. Sonnet 4.5 still isn't the best at everything. UI generation, visual reasoning, still not great. If you're building front-end interfaces or need strong visual understanding, GPT-5 is still your best bet. But for back-end development, agentic work, and complex multi-step coding tasks, Sonnet 4.5 absolutely dominates. And when we talk about agentic work, this is where things get wild. This model can use computers like a human, clicking buttons, navigating interfaces, orchestrating multiple tools together. It's not just generating code anymore, it's actually interacting with your entire development environment. Tools like GitHub Copilot and Cursor are getting significantly better because of how well Sonnet 4.5 handles these complex, tedious, multi-piece workloads. Now let's talk about the features that actually matter to developers. Checkpoints in Claude Code. This was the most requested feature, and it's finally here. You can save your project progress and roll back to previous states instantly. If you've ever had an AI confidently refactor your entire codebase into oblivion, you understand why this is crucial. This alone changes the entire workflow for iterative development. They refreshed the terminal interface. It's cleaner, more ergonomic, and honestly just nicer to look at when you're spending hours in the CLI. Native VS Code extension, shipped and ready. Tighter integration with the most popular code editor in the world means Sonnet 4.5 fits directly into your existing workflow without friction. Context editing feature. This is huge for API users. Instead of stuffing your entire conversation history into every single request, you can now handle context programmatically. This means longer, more complex agent runs without hitting context limits or burning through tokens unnecessarily. Memory tool for agents. Your AI can now actually remember things across sessions. No more digital amnesia every 5 minutes. For long-running tasks and complex projects, this is a game changer. The Claude Code SDK is now the Claude Agent SDK. Still closed source, which is annoying, but it enables robust agent agentic behaviors that developers have been asking for. Chrome extension for Mac just open to waitlisted users. Better accessibility, better workflows. On the safety and alignment side, Anthropic is making big claims. They say Sonnet 4.5 is their most aligned model yet. Improved behavioral safeguards, reduced deception potential, much stronger defense against prompt injection attacks. Safety training has been updated across the board. Pricing-wise, Sonnet 4.5 costs the same as Sonnet 4. And here's the kicker. Opus is basically obsolete now for most coding scenarios. Why pay more for worse performance? Real-world use is what matters, and developers are reporting that Sonnet 4.5 is about 20% nicer for day-to-day coding work, especially for medium-sized back-end projects and scripting tasks. It's more reliable, stays on task longer, and produces cleaner code. Bottom line, Anthropic needed a win, and Sonnet 4.5 delivers. If you're doing serious back-end work, building agents, or need reliable tool orchestration over extended periods, this just became your new best friend.
You know what? I think we're gonna be friends.